Welcome. In this video I will show you where the headphone jack port is located on HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So this laptop actually has a fancy location for the mini jack port on the left edge of the laptop, right on the corner near the display. Here it is. So yeah, this is a regular 3.5 AUX port that supports headphones and headsets with microphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.